Hi luminaries, in this video we are going to go over the 5 crafts in a box kit. So from this kit you can make pom-poms, tassels, friendship bracelets, small weaving, and cord all in one box. Okay, so let's look and see what's in the box. So you'll get a photo, an example of things that you can make, a loom tool, and then yarn. All right, let's go over them. So the first one is yarn that's great for pom-pom, tassels, and friendship bracelets. Then the second is fingering weight yarn, which is great for small weaving, tassels, and friendship bracelets. T-shirt yarn, that is great for cords. And then you're going to get these 3 types of string. All right, let's go over them. The first one is your base cotton warp, which is needed for friendship bracelets and small weaving. Embroidery floss, this is for tying your pom-pom. And a nylon piece, which is great for stringing pom-poms or tassels. And then you have a rod. This is good for mounting your small weaving. A piece of felt, also for your small weaving, use as a backing. And then, of course, a needle, which you'll need for almost everything. And maybe a tiny surprise. Then you'll go to your YouTube for instructions. And if you get the other colorway, you'll get similar items and then just in different colors. Okay, let's go see what we can make. Move these out of the way. All right, so these are the things that I made with the Loom tool and the 5 crafts in a box. So what you'll do is you'll go to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/theloom, select playlist, and then just scroll through. We have weaving, tassels, pom-pom, friendship bracelets, cord. Choose whichever one you like to make and then get cracking. Start baking. Everything you need is in your box. All the things you see here I made with the kit. All right, I'm going to go over some things that I made real quickly. So the pom-poms here I made with those yarn. The fingering weight yarn, you can make so many things within it. It's so pretty. So things like small weaving, stacked tassels, wrapped head tassels, friendship rings, again weaving, and then friendship bracelets. This t-shirt yarn here, I made a necklace with it, a bracelet, and then with some tiny leftover, I made a little cord ring. They're so cute. And then for the felt, this is I use for the backing that just holds the weaving together. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy!